morning and welcome to the morning assembly. Today is the 31st of December and the day is Thursday. ગુજરાતી તિથિ પ્રમાણે આજે માક્ષર વદ એકમ છે. Please get ready for the morning prayers.
જ્ઞાનનું વરદાન દે માં શારદા માં શારદા.
જ્ઞાનનું વરદાન દે માં શારદા માં શારદા.
અસુરનું સંધાન દે માં શારદા માં શારદા.
જ્ઞાનનું વરદાન દે માં શારદા માં શારદા.
तुझे अखंडित ज्योत थी मुझ जीवन पंथ उजाड़.
तुझ अखंडित ज्योत थी मुझ जीवन पंथ उजाड़.
तार पुनित प्रकाश पल पल प्रगट छे दीपમાં. આશીષનું દાન દે માં શારદા માં શારદા.
Has been a year with so many highs and lows. At this time, it is essential for everyone to become one and hold hands during these difficult times. Our assembly is focused on how one can help and aid the society during these times. Firstly, we have few students from our advisory who contributed to the society.
I've started a project named Divya Shakti, and the motto for the project is value the worshipped. It is that because it's related to cows and we value cows, we worship cows. But we have seen that they consume a lot of plastic, a lot of waste, and there was a time when millions of tons of plastic was taken out from a cow, and I think it's our responsibility to save it. Now it's named Divya Shakti because cows are divine and they have the strength which needs to be saved. The way I fund this project is through donation of newspapers, magazines and books. Us students, we have a lot of books. We have a lot of extra books which usually goes to waste. So these books might also help underprivileged. So I collect those books from people. I go to their houses with all precautions taken and I collect those books. I donate those books and the money I get goes to a lot of cow shelters. I've also had a plea where I've asked if at least 50 rupees go to each cow. That could make a huge difference because I think when we save ourselves, it is also important to save the nature. It's also important to save our animals. And I think us as a whole, we can help do that. Thank you.
During the pandemic, everyone was disturbed and needed help in various ways. At this time, I joined a group initiated by our bio mentors. The group was made in order to spread awareness about the increasing number of cases and different aspects of the virus, like fomites. The group also included on brainstorming of effective ways of school reopening and building a healthy environment. My main contribution to the group was by making animations and syncing it to the audio so that the message was conveyed clearly to the audience and the video was appealing to the eye. 2020 has been a year which nobody is going to forget. And so I made sure that I contributed and helped the society when it was struggling the most. I'm sure we all will be glad to help others and make them feel safe. So, make sure you do your part too. Thank you.
Ever since I can remember, I've always been passionate about the environment and I've always loved animals. So about a year ago, I came across an animal rights activist and we talked about this whole new concept called veganism. And we discussed about the impact of food on our health, environment and the animals. So it clicked and I've been trying my best to help the animals and the environment ever since. Before the pandemic, I used to visit an animal shelter with the same animal rights activist and we used to feed the animals and spend time with them. After that, during the lockdown, I was unable to go there. But I used to feed the stray animals around my house. During the lockdown, I also started my own business where I aimed to promote sustainable packaging and sustainable and compassionate food. So I've been trying my best to spread the awareness, and that's what I've been doing for my service during the lockdown.
There's no ideal time to make your contribution. If you have failed at achieving it this year, you might want to do your part in the upcoming year. I now invite Kunjan to share a few ideas about how an individual can make their contribution to the society.
We must all work towards helping these animals who have been left on their own on the streets during this pandemic. So here's what you could do to help out. Firstly, some of the food items that are left over at your home could be used to provide for these animals. Make it a habit to feed the leftovers to stray animals instead of throwing it away. Though, make sure that the items that you're feeding are fit to be eaten by the animal. If you can, you could also specially buy some food for these animals and find some spare time to feed them. You should also leave a container of water near your house for these animals to drink from. Make sure to refill or exchange any leftover water on a daily basis. And yes, if you come upon an animal who may need medical attention, call the animal helpline immediately, the contact details for which are mentioned in the description below. Lastly, you could even help out by donating to a few NGOs working towards helping stray animals, whose contact details are in the description as well. Most importantly, always follow the COVID guidelines while going out and avoid any close or physical contact with the stray animals, as they too can get infected by the virus or act as carriers. So, maintain your distance.
Thank you, Kunjan, for that insightful clip. I now invite Nancy for recitation.
Love and a Question by Robert Frost. A stranger came to the door at eve, and he spoke the bridegroom fair. He bore a green white stick in his hand, and follower, burden care. He asked with the eyes more than the lips, for a shelter for the night. And he turned and looked at the road afar, with no window light. The bridegroom came forth into the porch, with "Let us look at the sky," and a question of what night to be, stranger, you and I. The woodbine leaves littered the yard, the woodbine berries with the blue. Autumn, yes, winter was in the wind. Stranger, I wish I knew. Within the bride, in the dusk alone, bent over the open fire, her face rose red with glowing coal, and the thought of the heart's desire. The bridegroom looked at every weary note, yet saw but her within, and wished her heart in a case of gold, and pinned her with a silver pin. The bridegroom thought it was little to give, a dole of bread or a purse, a heartfelt prayer for the poor of God, and a curse for the rich. But whether or not a man was asked to mar the love of two by harboring hope in the bridal woo, the bridegroom wished he knew.
Thank you, Nancy. That was good indeed. Khushi and Vedanshi are now up with a graceful dance piece on the song Ladki.
तूने चलना सिखाया, गिर के उठना भी तूने ही सिखाया, हंसना, रोना, रोते रोते फिर से हंसना और मुश्किलों से मुस्कुरा के लड़ना ये भी सिखाया, पर तुझसे दूर रहकर कैसे जीना है ये क्यों नहीं सिखाया। तुझसे बहुत कुछ सीखा है, पाया है, पर फिर दुनिया ने कहा ये तो अपने पापा का ही साया है।
पलने की तूने बोली, मेरे सपनों को झुलाया सारी रात। भले बगिया तेरी छोड़ी, भले नींदिया तेरी चोरी, बस इतनी सी याद तो रखे मेरी बात। तेरी लाडकी मैं, तेरी लाडकी मैं, तेरी लाडकी मैं, छोड़ूंगी ना तेरा हाथ।
She Sights a Bird by Emily Dixon. She sights a bird, she chuckles. She flattens, then she crawls. She runs without the look of feet. Her eyes increase to balls. Her jaws stir, twitching hungry. Her teeth can hardly stand. She leaps, but Robin leaped the first. Ah, pussy of the sand. The hopes so juicy ripening, you almost bathe your tongue. When bliss disclosed 100 toes and fled with everyone. Thank you.
Technology as we know today has come a long way. Everyone is just a click away. This has especially been beneficial during the pandemic to ensure the continuity of work and education. A lot of environmental problems may be solved due to the development of certain renewable sources. However, one can always debate that most of these environmental problems won't even exist if not for technology. There are downsides to everything, and technology is no exception. When we look at factories, plastic, fertilizers, all these inventions have and are in still some way or form contributing to environmental degradation. So technically, we are finding solutions to the very problems that we created. Particularly looking at social media, it has long been debated whether its pros outweigh its cons. Most of us are aware that connection is important in this age of globalization, and social media has a huge role to play in this. Using social media in moderation is good. However, it can be very addictive for obvious reasons. It provides gratification. Technology is omnipresent, and it is close to impossible to be a part of the modern society and not use technology, and I'm not advising you to do so. However, it is essential that you bring moderation in your usage of social media and technology.
May the next year bring you health and happiness.
May 2021 be filled with love and joy.
Next year brings you happiness and a good, prosperous life.
May peace, health, and happiness be with you in every walk of your life.
May every day of the new year inspires you to grow. On that note, wishing you a health, wealth, and happiness in the new year ahead.
2020 has been rough. Let's hope 2021 is a lot better for everybody.
May you and your loved ones have the happiest, safest, and healthiest new year.
I hope growing up is not included in our resolutions this year. Let's just live it like the old ones, and we can grow up in some other years.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year to everyone.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year!
A very happy new year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year and have a great year ahead.
Now here we end the last assembly of 2020 and put our foot into 2021. Here is something I would like to share before we end. कि गुजरते साल के साथ थोड़े से हम भी गुजरे हैं, बिखरे टुकड़े से हम अब नए निखरे हुए हैं। वीडियो कॉल से चलती सांसें हमारी हैं। इस बार फोन की स्क्रीन पर हमने दिवाली मनाई है। 4x4 के कमरे में हमने हंसी और आंसू दोनों बहाए हैं। बर्थडे और एनिवर्सरी का तो पता नहीं, बर्तन, झाड़ू, कपड़ा खुद धोकर सिखाए हैं। वर्क फॉर होम और वर्क फ्रॉम होम में जरा सा उलझ गए हम। वर्क फॉर होम और वर्क फ्रॉम होम में जरा सा उलझ गए हम। वैक्सीन कोई आएगा आजकल सुनते रहते हैं। कैलेंडर बदलने की बारी तो अपनी आ गई है। तारीख भले ही बदल जाए, तकलीफ भारी होने वाली है। चेहरे पर मास्क, हाथों में सैनिटाइजर, पूरे तैयार है हम कि गुजरते साल के साथ थोड़े से हम भी गुजरे हैं। बिखरे टुकड़े से हम अब नए निखरे हुए हैं। Thank you so much for being with us and have a great 2021.